This is our process. So we've done multiple discovery calls. We've already started this custom setup. We now have AIs that can do some of the other tasks within the system. We want to start with identifying the exact process, and from there we identify the automations. If there's a need for AI, which I think definitely we would recommend using some AI on it. We'll have ongoing support. We identify it, we test it. If it's not exactly what we are all looking for, we can still adjust it. Ongoing process. And then obviously we'll get real-time insights. We have a lot of reports, charts, dashboards that will help us, make better decisions. Efficiency, yung accurate pay, of course, is very important na tama yung binabayad sa mga tao natin. This doesn't stop with people, obviously, with employees, suppliers eventually, customers paying us properly, are we paying the right taxes? Any question po before we go to the actual system? What we'll show you is what we came up with based dun sa mga initial discussion. So yung system natin is web-based. Sa ngayon, nasa sariling server pa namin siya. Ang general term sa kanya is ERP. Ang pinakang-anchor niya is accounting. Pero most ERP, Microsoft, SAP, Oracles, they try and do everything all at once. Which typically, mahirap, matagal, malaki, mahal. Lahat ng ayaw natin. So we've changed that approach. We've realized na not every time is always a perfect fit. So why not to start with one module? In this case, we're starting with HR. So if we solve HR, then it's probably easier to solve accounting maybe. Accounting pa na, sobrang laki pa rin. But of course, we would recommend na if possible, hindi pa naman sobrang lalim because we have modules na similar sa SAP. So ang mangyayari is magiging integrated siya. So we're getting data from a different tool. Yung exactly yung sinosolve namin na hindi mo na kailangan mag-login sa multiple platforms. Kasi, yung website mo nakahiwalay, yung HR mo nakahiwalay, yung warehouse mo nakahiwalay. At the very least, meron kang 15 na lalag-inan. That's always a challenge, no? We know it takes a while to get to a point na isang platform na lang, pero that's always the mindset that we're trying to focus on. For the meantime, we log into different tools and make them talk to each other. We can also do that.